Heavy rainfall warning, wind warning, fisherman warning, port warnings, and suggested actions also provided. In last 6 hours, it moved nearly northward at 7 km per hour, and then its forecast is now that it is likely to move northward for some more time, and then it will gradually move towards northeastward, and it will cross the West Bengal and Bangladesh coast, West Bengal Digha and Bangladesh Hatia Island. In between that, close to Sundarban, it will cross around noon or around afternoon or evening time on 20th May. And at the time of crossing, the wind speed we are expecting 165 to 105 km per hour. In gusting, it will be in 185 km per hour. And at present, the wind speed in association with this super cyclone storm is 220 to 230 km per hour. So under its effect, in Odisha we have issued cyclone warning, and in Odisha also much effect will be there, mainly north coastal Odisha districts. We have issued heavy rainfall warning, wind warning, fisherman warning, port warnings, and suggested actions also provided. And heavy rainfall warning today, many places light to moderate rainfall in coastal Odisha. Along with at one or two places heavy rainfall will be there in the districts of Gajapati, Ganjam, Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara districts. And from tomorrow rainfall activity will increase, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected to occur with light to moderate. Most places rainfall with heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected to occur in some districts of north coastal Odisha, mainly Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Bhadrak, Balasore, Mayurbhanj and Jajpur districts, and also heavy rain expected in Kotok, Puri, Khurda district. And on 20th also heavy rain activity will be there, mainly in Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapara, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj districts. Now from today evening and night, the squally wind speed 45 to 55, gusting to 65 km per hour is expected in south coastal Odisha, along and off south Odisha coast, and it will gradually increase up to 55 to 65 km per hour, gusting to 75 km per hour, and also it will extend to north Odisha coast by tomorrow morning or 19th morning, and then it will further increase in north Odisha coast, and in gradually increase, and in 20th morning it will be gale wind 75 to 85 km per hour, gusting to 95 km per hour, and it will further increase around afternoon of 20th. It will be 110 to 120, gusting to 135 km per hour. In some districts of Odisha, mainly Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Bhadrak, Khurda and Mayurbhanj, these 5 districts, and other districts like Jajpur, Kotok and Khurda, Puri, in those districts squally wind speed will be there on 20th, that is 55 to 65 km per hour and 75 km per hour gusting. So fishermen warning issued, fishermen advised to not to venture till 21st to along and off Odisha coast and northwest Bay of Bengal and West Central Bay of Bengal, and total fishing suspension for 19th and 20th is advised. Port warning in Gopalpur port and Puri port, we have issued local cautionary signal number 3, and in Paradip and Chandbali or Dhamara port, we have issued local warning signal number 4, and it will be gradually upgraded when system will be closer to the nearby port area. Now damage we are expecting mainly in maximum damage in North Odisha coast, all districts, that both those districts, that is the Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Bhadrach, Balasore, Jajpur, Mayurbhanj, and total in those districts total destruction of thatched house, extensive damage of kacha house, some damage of pakka house, potential threat to flying objects, and bending and uprooting of power and communication poles, major damage of kacha and pakka roads, minor disruption of railways, overhead power lines and signaling system, widespread damage to standing crop, plantation, orchards, falling of green coconut and tearing of palms, fronds, blowing down of bushy trees like mango. Small boats, country crafts may get detached from moorings. So action suggested is that the total suspension of fishing along Andhra-Odisha coast till 20th May, and judicious regulation of rail and road traffic, people in affected areas to remain indoors, movement in motor and small ships not advisable. No, if it is in Paradip, actually that depends upon the ship category. See, we have already issued the warnings, the maximum wind speeds, what will be the. So accordingly, I think they have taken the action, and for there will maybe not be problem, because large ships, if standing, I think they are knowing that ship management authority. They are knowing that thing, that how to this thing, because already warning issued from 2 days back also. No, that actually in a supercyclonic storm, that is the wind speed, that maximum core area, but that core area will not fall at that time, at the when supercyclonic storm now. At that time, from Paradip already I told that it is 730 kilometer. Okay. So when it will come more closer than 7, though, that will not be more closer. Okay. So, but also we are expecting that at the time of landfall or before landfall, it will be the intensity will decrease. So I think they are doing well. They can manage. Okay. So whatever wind speed we have expected, that already their message has been going to them.